My name's Zook. I'm a delivery driver for Wilder Fields. I've been doing it for 5 months now. It's been an amazing process. 5 months in, I could definitely see a lot of growth. It's very amazing at the stuff they do inside this old building. I actually worked at this building when it was a Target. I did eight years here. I started off as a regular employee. Target actually closed down, but the employment, I would say, definitely drastically dropped. I know it was at least almost 75 people working in here with me. It was just a loss for people that were actually in the vicinity. The one thing I can say about Calumet City, it's a real strong city. They done been through a lot of things. I just like the community. It was always diverse, and it was always big to me. As a kid growing up, I was like, man, Calumet City's the place to be. When I told my mom I had an interview, she's like, Wilder Fields, what's that? I was like, they actually are in the old Target building I worked in. It's vertical farming. It seems interesting. I'm always down to learn new stuff.
No.